Hello, class. How are you? Fine. Very good. Class, today we will learn days in a week. Are you ready? Yes. Good. Let's start our lesson. Do you know how many days in a week? Let's learn the names. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. I hope you have understand the lesson. Now, watch the video again and again. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. If you want video on any topic, write us in comment. Thank you. Bye.